Yeah, so it's been a couple months since Kamaea and Aniwa started the campaign. We've tried bribery, food poisoning, hypnotising, silent retreats, even arm extensions. But we still have absolutely no idea how to sculpt a kaihaka. Okay, big day for us, isn't it? Yeah. Who's gonna make the Kapa team? It's probably gonna be you guys, isn't it? Now, I did some weird shit. Some weird shit to get you guys at this point. Yeah. Look how muscly you are. Look how tight that shirt is.
Yeah.
It's the same shirt you started with.
Kind of me though, but yeah, okay.
Kamaea, your voice, gorgeous.
Yeah.
Good. Pitch you there. All right, hang in there, guys.
Kia kaha. Kia kaha. Kamaea, kia mockumentary. Ka pati te manawa, kua nohoa hau ki ngā aoeru a te awa te pauako, me te awa te kaihaka no reira. E marama pu ana hau ki tēnei momotu ahuatanga, me te mea hoki he uaua. He uaua te kōwhiri, te pāki atu ki ngā kaihaka, ki te tīma ko wai ka pai wahi atu ki te ropu. Hopefully I make it over the line, let's please.
Changing direction, I'm now going to be Aniwa and Kamaea's #1 hype guy. Got the Angitu colours on whānau, just need tūranga. Let's go.
Why did you bring pom-poms?
Because I love you.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. What the hell?
What do I do is freestyle? Never had a campaign. You know, someone like Harry following me around with all his damn shenanigans gets a little bit hoa. I mean, he is gonna be spewing though when he finds out. I missed 2 wairinga and went on a cruise, and that actually could genuinely cost me my spot in this team, but this is Haka Hopefuls, and we bloody stay hopefuling. Hopefuling, that's not even a damn word, but we stay Haka hopeful and we fingers and toes crossed. I haven't been able to stretch my T-Rex arms any longer.
I disagree.
But I mean, I've been working on my timing and conserving my voice, you know, pai tu, pai hinga.
Oh, too long at this point, aren't they?
I need to get the hell on the floor, Harry.
Hare Bombari.
Hey.
Tēnā koe. We've been so lucky. We have Tame. Tame, this is Hare. Hare, this is Tame. We're so lucky because Tame's come through and brought his mātauranga tai on for all these townies. This is the best kauaka and my pepe aka te anō hoki. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I'm a bit starstruck actually. I love birds. There's a bird warrior over here.
What
so...
bird would you be?
Me?
Yeah. Bit of a rooster.
Bit of a cock attitude. I'm thinking like hey kind of vibe. Yeah. So what's the kaupapa today?
Birds boat, so I'm a bird geek. Peter them reached out saying that they want to know a bit more about birds. That was so cool, Tommy, tell us more. I noho te tui ki te pokohiwi o te ruruhi, te karanga, ka huna hia. She would do her karanga and the tui would echo.
Ko tai mai te wā. The hardest part of the campaign is telling someone they don't get to stand, but it's part of the job description and someone has to do it. Unfortunately, ko au tērā. Nā reira. Kua rite a hau, hoi anō. Meu tonu.